Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Sololearn app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Sololearn is a mobile learning platform designed to teach coding and programming through bite-sized lessons, quizzes, and interactive exercises. It covers a wide range of languages including Python, JavaScript, C++, HTML, Java, and more. The app is structured to make coding accessible for beginners while also offering challenges and projects to help reinforce learning in a practical way. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is well optimized and user-friendly, with a clear learning path and a strong community aspect. Users appreciate the gamified structure, where you earn XP and badges as you progress. The in-app code playground allows for writing and testing code instantly, making it easy to practice without switching tools. The daily streaks and reminders also help keep learners consistent. That said, it's not without flaws. Some users feel the explanations are too brief, especially for complex topics. The advanced learners might find the content lacking in depth, and some community answers in the forums can be inconsistent or outdated. Additionally, while the core features are free, some advanced lessons and features are locked behind a paid subscription. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Sololearn is a great app for beginners looking to get into coding through short, manageable lessons. It's interactive, community-driven, and supports on-the-go learning. However, for more advanced learners or those looking for deep dives into complex topics, it may work better as a supplement than a standalone solution. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.